Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you magical remedy to remove wrinkles permanently and to get rid of wrinkles with very simple and natural ingredients. My friends, I promise you this magical remedy works for all skin types. It removes wrinkles and reduces age dramatically overnight. Yet with very simple and natural ingredients we can prepare it at home. You need in a clean mixing bowl add 3 tablespoons of rice, and you can use white rice or brown rice, whichever available for you, my friends. All will give you the same result. And then my friends, we'll need to add on a half cup of warm water, and then we need to mix it and leave it to get fermented. You need to leave this until you find the water actually turn it to a whitish color and leave it overnight to get the rice fermented. Rice is an Asian secret to reduce age. It boosts collagen production, which will boost the skin elasticity and also filling the wrinkles naturally. So overnight, my friends, you'll find it turn to that whitish color. That means it's ready to go to the next step. Now rinse it to remove the rice and to get the water, because this is what we're going to use in that magical remedy. Now my friends, we need to place it underneath double boiler method until it gets to a thicker texture to get a cream paste. And if you couldn't turn it to a cream paste, you need actually to place it on a low direct heat and keep mixing until you get this cream paste. Then my friends, remove it from the underneath double boiler method, and we need to add to it 2 teaspoons of baby oil, and here I'm using Johnson baby oil. And then my friends, we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline or petroleum jelly, and we need to mix all the ingredients very well until they combine and mix very well together. Once we mixed and combined all the ingredients, our magical remedy is ready to use. Now apply it on your hands, on face. This removes wrinkles permanently. You will see a dramatic result overnight, and keep using this for 7 days. It will get you rid of wrinkles permanently. It fills the fine lines and reduce the age dramatically, my friends. And you can store this magical remedy for up to 30 days in the fridge. It's very effective to use every day. Keep using this magical remedy to remove wrinkles permanently, my friends, and to fill in the fine lines and reduce age lines. I'm very sure that magical video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies like that. And I'll see you in my next video. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.